The Haimer Group has about 800, a bit more than 800 employees worldwide. So what we are producing is everything around the CNC machine, what the customer needs, starting from our tool holders. That's actually what we are famous for. We are producing up to 4,000 tool holders per day. Then we have the shrink equipment, the shrink units, the balancing machines, the presetting machines for the measurement, and further measure machines plus the end mills. So everything you need around the CNC machine to produce anything with metal you can get from Haimer. Digitalization as such is of course getting more and more important in our daily life, and so does it also for our customers, so for our products, but also for our internal processes of course. And that's also then one step why we in 2020 started with PISA Sales as a CRM system, now also as an SRM system, so also our purchasing department was developed, so that also these kind of steps in the background are also getting more and more digital. So and therefore we wanted to implement a CRM system where we have worldwide, every salesman has exactly the same style, the same fields to fill in the data after, and exact rules what needs to be done and what kind of step with the customer interaction. We decided in the end to PISA Sales, and one of the benefits we liked pretty much was the Fair app actually. We are participating and we have large exhibitions worldwide, and there we are using more or less the Fair app daily. We have a nice transfer of the leads, everything is digital. We directly at the exhibition or at the open houses, we scan business cards or we scan a QR data matrix code, whatever the customer has. The data is coming automatically into the system. So this complete process was from a semi-digital way, completely digitalized. And that was one topic, of course, the usability, how to use it. And that's one step, one part of this CRM from PISA Sales, what we preferred compared to, of course, other ones as well. And another point for PISA was actually the customizing, because we have developed structures in-house, also for the sales side, how we are working. And our wish and goal was that the CRM system is adapting how we are working. So what we have seen as a huge benefit now after 4 years of using the system is, of course, that you can now track, and we have, as said, we have around 100 events yearly, so we have a lot of leads, potential customers getting with us in contact, that you can also have a nice track. Now we have a lead, a sales lead, then we have maybe a customer or prospective customer, to have all the way shown really in steps until we have finally from a sales lead to an end customer buying our product